How to set up Payoneer Payment Gateway in WooCommerce. Step 1. Open your website admin panel and navigate to Plugins and then select Add New. Step 2. Search for Payoneer Payment Gateway or a generic payment plugin and that supports custom gateways. Install and activate that generic payment plugin. Step 3. Go to WooCommerce and then go to Settings and then go to Payments and select Payoneer. Enter your Payoneer merchant ID, API key, and secret key which you can generate from your Payoneer account under API access. Step 4. Enable live mode. Choose which currencies you will accept and configure checkout display options. Step 5. Place a test order on your site using sandbox credentials to make sure payments are being processed successfully. Step 6. Once testing is complete, switch to live mode and start accepting real payments through Payoneer. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.